The Santa Elena Canyon Trail is one of the most popular trails at Big Bend. The National Park website says that it's a round trip distance of 1.6 miles, but I've got to tell you, this is probably the hardest 1.6 miles we have ever hiked. The average hiking time is 1 hour.
Cool. No, I used to be hard, but not like this because the others.
Mama,
What?
they built it for your feet.
Yeah, not nice. That way you can walk.
It's just showing the Mexican park range and the American park range and work together. It's very much a distance.
Is that at the end of the trail?
Come on, baby girl. I know we spent longer than an hour on this trail, but I can't tell you how long it was. It was the very last trail that we hiked in the entirety of the national park. It was also very tough and it was hot and the kids were exhausted, so going up just took a little bit longer than it would have been had we not had the kids. You're such a cutie patootie. Yeah, that's Kaylin. Yeah, careful where you're going.
That's not where I was going, but like, still. Right there.
I was gonna get you.
No, I don't think so.
Go on, baby. No, you got it. Let's go. The trail begins at the end of the Ross Maxwell Scenic Drive and is one of the prettiest short trails in the park. To access the trail, hikers must first cross the bed of Terlingua Creek and climb a short but steep bank. Conditions change constantly at this location. I wasn't expecting any of this. It's actually pretty cool. That was cool.
Oh wait, what if it looks like a mushroom?
Uh-huh. As the trail enters the canyon mouth, it climbs a series of concrete steps to a high viewpoint.
When rain falls on limestone, the slightly acidic rainwater slowly dissolves the rock. The mineral-rich water seeps through fractures in the limestone where the dissolved calcium carbonate, that's what I was trying to remember, eventually precipitates out to form crystals of calcite. In this wall erosion exposed the once hidden fractures, revealing veins of angular white calcite crystals. Look at this. See all these
There's the crystals. That's
See
pretty
how big
cool.
They are going all the way
Aren't
up.
those quartz?
Well, this is calcite. And the rest of it probably is too. I just thought it was. Just that, yeah. Oh man, look at it. This whole thing is calcite.
Yeah.
It's all crystals. You just can't see it because it's dusty. I bet after it rains, this thing just glitters.
This way, sweetie pie. Yep, showing you different birds. Wah! From the viewpoint, the trail slopes gradually down to the river edge and continues winding among large boulders until it ends abruptly where the canyon wall meets the Rio Grande. Oh look, they're canoeing. Canoes to do it.
I was supposed to do that.
Far Flung does that, but you said no, so we did Jeep instead. Probably best because the kids are. Yeah.
I was supposed to do that with
Mama,
Boy Scouts.
look.
I know. Come on. Madeline's up there. Hold my hand. Now let's stop for a second. Come here, baby. All right, start walking. Yeah, that is kind of like that, isn't it?
Yeah.
Does this give you Jurassic Park vibes?
Yeah.
Having hiked the entirety of this trail and knowing what we know now, this is the point where we would have stopped. The viewpoint from here is fantastic. Getting into the canyon walls, it was cool, and maybe we would do it if time permitted. But this being our last hike, I would have been a-okay just turning around right here. What? There is not much shade once you leave the trees to this point, so the kids took every opportunity to hang out under this boulder, and I cannot blame them. It was hot.
Yeah.
Can we take a rest here?
It's pokey, isn't it?
Yeah, you'll sit for a minute. Careful though.
A lot of that looks like it's about ready to come down now.
And think about it while we're walking.
I was gonna say when we get to the camper.
Yeah.
Put it down on Netflix, and then once it's like done downloading, and then able to like
Yeah.
watch some movies or shows
Yes.
before I go to bed.
Yes. I'm gonna record this real quick.
Oh,
Okay, come on.
That's almost over us.
Oh gosh. A little sketchy to think about.
Huh?
A little sketchy to think about.
oh,
Go on. What? What?
That sign said, guess which side of the canyon you think that fell from. It's got to be that side. It's a different type of rock. Holy crap.
Where'd it come from?
That side,
Oh.
I think. Well, he said to guess. That's my guess. Look at the way it's shaped. It's not like this.
Yeah.
It's like that. Oh my God.
I know you're getting tired. Ooh, lots of shade up here. Let's go get some shade. I don't know. Oh.
Looks so much better.
Let's go see what's around this corner. Feel better without your bag? No, just hold it for me. You feel good now, but I'm sure we'll be in the sun soon. Maybe, maybe not. Feels good. Oh, enjoy this before I have to get out of it again. If we did this hike in the morning, it'd be really cold in here.
No, you don't have to go in the sun. You just wait.
If there is a spot to put your feet in, y'all can take your shoes and socks off and put your feet in, if there's a spot.
There's water.
If there's a spot. I have no idea.
Muddy.
Platform?
No.
I know.
Same in the little beach here. Where you can go, there's one little part.
This is one of the narrowest places in the 7-mile-long Santa Elena Canyon. Rest for a bit and listen for the descending notes of the canyon wren and call of the raven high along the canyon walls. And you can see everyone is exhausted and completely over hiking in Big Bend National Park. We loved it. Everything was beautiful, but my goodness, is it a workout. Check out the Lost Mine Trail. It's beautiful. Our other hiking adventures from all over the place. And if you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel because really, why not?